guys, what's up? It's theidestiny. Welcome back. Today, I don't know, it's just been a very long past couple of weeks, days, months for me. And as you guys know, I've been kind of on this self-care, self-routine kick, especially with the condition that I have now, my diagnosis as of 2 weeks ago with Bell's palsy. So I've just been really trying to find ways to kind of just relax, really take care of myself. I'm on leave from work right now, just to be able to kind of like catch up on rest. And so I was shopping the aisles of Trader Joe's the past few days and found that they have new sheet masks. So this is going to be a very casual, laid-back video. I really just kind of wanted to try out some new products and kind of share them with you guys. For some of you guys that have TJs in your area, I've been looking at their website. They've been adding more and more Trader Joe's locations in the South. I see they're adding one in Memphis, which is really exciting for the family that I have over there. So usually they have kind of like an end cap or some kind of portion of an aisle that they dedicate to the handful of new products. So I ended up finding this, and this is their Rich Hydrating Face Sheet Mask. So this is supposed to soothe and revitalize dull and tired skin with hyaluronic acid. That's good. Honey, I love honey anytime it's in a mask. A chamomile extract, turmeric extract, green tea extract, okay, and a bunch of other extracts. Love the fact that they included all of that in the mask. You guys know me, I love sheet masks, but a lot of times companies will put a bunch of different harsh chemicals and stuff like that in them. So for something that's going to sit on my face for 15, 20 plus minutes, however long, that's really going to be soaking and absorbing into my skin, the layers of my skin, I really just don't feel comfortable using something that has a whole crap ton of chemicals. So I was really excited when I saw this, especially because it was only like, I think $1.99, so super cheap for a sheet mask. I feel like the average price that I've seen is somewhere between that like $4 to $8 range, depending on the brand and all that kind of stuff. Let's look on the back for the actual ingredients list. So we have water, glycerin, honey, phenos something, natural cucumber fragrance, xanthan gum. Okay, so and then I'm seeing a lot of other extracts and stuff like that. Okay, so there are a few little things here and there that aren't great, but then there's a lot of really great extracts and stuff in here. Green tea, pomegranate, all that kind of good stuff. So for $1.99, I'd say that that's pretty good. That's pretty good bang for your buck as far as getting something that is good for your skin. My skin has just been feeling so dull and tired and just needs a little bit of love. I think I told you guys this in my last video, but with my condition, it's really difficult for me to close this eye. So with that being said, it's definitely been more difficult for me to wash my face and do masks and creams and all that other stuff. So let's jump into it. It says to cleanse your face first, so I've already done that. I used my Derma E Purifying Gel Cleanser. I love this stuff. I've talked about this a lot on this channel. So I used that, so my skin is definitely ready for some moisture at this point. I didn't put any of my essence or anything like that on. So let me grab this. So remove mask from the packet and peel off the film liner. Oh, it has a film liner. Oh, and also it's 100% cotton sheet mask, so that's another good thing as well. Apply mask gently over face and smooth the mask to ensure good skin contact. Leave on and relax for up to 20 minutes. Optionally, apply face moisturizer for maximum hydration. So this is a hydrating mask for those of you that are kind of like, So for me, I have oily combination skin, and I've managed to get my skin pretty balanced with the skincare routine that I have. If you guys would like to see that, let me know. I can do like a whole thing. I've had some people ask about it before, but if you're interested, let me know. If you're not, cool. I know we're kind of getting to the end of summer, but still, your skin still needs moisture to be able to kind of balance itself out and to just really look healthy and dewy and glowy. So let's get this out. Oh, okay, see, this is great. I'm really liking this already. So most sheet masks are very difficult to open up, and you kind of feel a little bit like you're going to tear it within the first few minutes. So this one, they actually did a good job putting together. So first of all, as you guys can see, it was really easy for me to get out, and it has a film that I just have to peel back. They made the eye area pretty wide, so I like that again. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I just took the sheet mask off, rubbing it in, patting it in. Alright, so what are my thoughts? Honestly, my face feels pretty good. My face feels really, really nice. It feels really, really soft, hydrated, dewy, but not greasy. So that's really good. I don't feel like I have just like an over excess of product built up on my face. I feel like my face definitely absorbed the mask really well. So that really says a lot about the ingredients in the mask itself, because I've used some masks that have a bunch of chemicals, a bunch of just really, really heavy oils in them, and they just kind of sit on top of the skin, and even when you rub it in, you just feel goopy and nasty. So my skin does feel a little tacky, but I mean, not any more tacky than when I use my Essence twice a day. So really like this, and it had such a very, very light cucumber smell. It wasn't overwhelming, it wasn't overpowering, it wasn't perfumey. So I really liked that fact, especially because some sheet masks sometimes go overboard with the fragrances. So really watch out for that, and if you're very sensitive to fragrances, definitely look and see kind of what's in there. A lot of companies don't disclose what's in their fragrances, but let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So if you guys can see, my skin is a lot, just really, really nice, dewy, glowy, doesn't look greasy. It just really looks healthy, you know? It looks healthy, it looks supple, it looks soft. I definitely would say that for $1.99 that this is probably the best that you're gonna get. This is better than even some of the $3, $4, $5, $6 sheet masks that I've used that are from Sprouts, that are from Sephora. You know, some of the masks that are definitely a little bit not more expensive, because sheet masks can get into like that $20 and $30 range like for luxury sheet masks. But for $1.99, this is definitely kicking the butt of some of the Andalou masks that I've used, of some of the kind of products that are a little bit higher than drugstore, but cheaper than luxury masks. I don't know, I really, really like this. I definitely would consider investing in more of these for my R&R routines. And it says that you can use them daily, weekly, monthly, or as needed for extra hydration. So I will definitely be picking these up for the winter time. As you guys know that shop at Trader Joe's, a lot of their products can sometimes be seasonal, so they'll bring out a new product, kind of test it for a few months, see how customers are picking up on it. If customers do pick up on it, you know, they leave it in the store, and if not, then it just kind of disappears, especially in their health and beauty section, which is pretty much a pretty small section to begin with. But let me know your thoughts if you guys have tried this sheet mask, or if there's another mask on the market, sheet masks that you want me to try out, or just masks in general. Put them in the comments below. So thank you guys for watching. Like this video if you want to see more. I'll be posting more as usual. Make sure to do well and be well. I'll see y'all later. Bye.